Okay, so in this video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step straightforward process on how to change your Facebook username on your Facebook profile. This process works on all mobile, either on an iOS or Android device. The first step is to tap on your Facebook app to open the app, then log in if you haven't already. Then you tap on the three horizontal line, that is the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the iOS or the top right corner of the Android. So you click on the certain buttons on the right top corner. After you click on that, you click on the personal details. You click on your profile. You click on the account. Then you tap the username. After doing that, as you can see on the screen, you enter your desired username and check for its availability. If it's available, you see a confirmation message as in form of a green mark. You can see it has been confirmed. So you click on Save Changes or Done to finalize your new username. Note that you cannot change your username every day. You can only change it every 60 days. That is 2 months. So you have to choose the right one that fits your preference. Otherwise, you'll need to wait for some time. Your username will be visible to everyone and can be used to find you on Facebook. So that wraps up all the information I want to share in this video. If you find this helpful and want to see more of this, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you.